Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a long overdue unboxing of the November, yes, that is correct, the November 2017 Fright Crate. Woo! Yes. So this puppy's been sitting there just waiting for me to open him up. Yes. So I'm going to link all the info down below. Fright Crate is an awesome, monthly subscription. It's not a subscription, I'm sorry. You purchase it every month. They usually go on sale the first of the month. They sell out quick. So if you're interested in the franchises, they usually announce them a few days before the first of each month. So you kind of know what to expect in the box. If you want it, get in there first of each month, buy it. I think it comes out to about $36 or so with shipping. So yeah, this comes with little quotes on it. Right here, this is from Wes Craven. It says, "The first monster that you have to scare the audience with is yourself." That's cool. And then we have, usually we have another one. Oh, this time we only got one. All right, so we have the one quote, and this is the Fright Crate. So let's get into it. Like I said, I'm going to put all the info in the description box below so you can check it out yourself. And I don't remember what the franchises were, but generally, they always have at least one that I'm really, really excited about. I think it might have been Krampus. I'm not sure. Maybe that was December. All right, so open up the box. This is what you're gonna see. Oh, we got we got a T-shirt in here. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got. So we got our T-shirt, and it is. I don't know what it is. Oh, Pet Sematary. Alright, so this is Pet Sematary. Really cool. Okay, Stephen King. I like that. Very nice t-shirt. So this is, I believe it's a large. It's a men's large, so it's nice and roomy, comfy, cozy. I like it. Classic black. Can never go wrong with black. Alright, so that's the t-shirt, Pet Sematary. Ooh, we got an ornament of Ghostface from the Scream franchise. There you go. There's Ghostface with his knife. Really cool. Can open it up really quick. Let's see. And does it open easy? Ah, there we go. Cool. Go. We got our little Ghostface ornament. He looks so funny. Let's get him. There we go. Focus him in. It's a pretty heavy duty, almost like a figurine. Really good quality. I like that. I love his little knife. So I really enjoy that it's in a resealable clamshell because, it's good to keep it, safe and, in good condition. I like when it's resealable like that. All right, so we have a pin here. Captain Howdy. First you scream, then you die. So I do not know what that is from. So there we go. This is a Fright Crate exclusive pin of Captain Howdy. So I'm not really sure what this is from, Captain Howdy. The pin looks good. It's pretty heavy. Look, it's bending. That's how heavy it is. The backing. So the pin is really good quality. I'm just not sure what franchise this is from. If you know, comment down below. Let me know. I'm going to have to check it out then. Yeah, that's one of the things I like about Fright Crate. They do showcase, the more known franchises, horror franchises, but then they also do lesser known ones. And, it's really interesting to me to check that stuff out because it brings out movies that you might not have seen or, books or stuff that, might be interesting to you, but you've never heard of, etc. Okay, so now we have, what is this? The celebrity. Ooh, celebrity autograph. All right. We have a certificate of authenticity that this is the authentic signature of Nathan Basil. Nathan Basil. And let's see. Behind the Mask, the rise of Leslie Vernon. Ooh. Again, I've not seen this. It looks cool. I'm going to have to check this out. I think I've seen this either on Netflix or Hulu, something. One of them has this. I'm going to have to check that out, though. It looks really good and creepy. So that's a cool autograph. And then what else do we have? Ooh, okay. We have a Rue Morgue. Oh, I haven't gotten these since Nerd Block. I love Rue Morgue. So Rue Morgue is like a horror entertainment magazine, and it has such interesting articles. It gives like, you know, updates on like releases of B movies, horror movies, like collector's editions. Oh, I love reading this. It's so awesome. You know, it's featuring the new movie It. It has a like Christmas horror, Better Watch Out on the back, and it's talking about Hellraiser. 30 years. Wow, I didn't even know that. 30 years of Hellraiser. That's really cool. I love Rue Morgue. You know, it's a pretty pricey magazine, so to get this, it's really awesome. Like this I don't even know how much this costs. It's like $10. Yeah, it's like $10 by itself. It has a lot of information. I love this. So finally, what else? Oh, we have our little spoiler card. The box is empty. And then we have a comic. All right, so we have Twilight Hotel, Volume 1. And this is from Square Biz Comics. And you can see a close-up of that. Your room is ready. She's getting pulled in by something. There's a head just there. Pretty cool. I wish they had put it in a comic book bag and, you know, bagged and boarded, because it's kind of, you know, it's not damaged. Luckily, it's a little bent up. You can see up here at the top, it's like bent. You know, nothing you can do about that. So they should have bagged and boarded the comic, though. So that's the only thing I'm a little disappointed about, is that they didn't bag and board the comic. The art inside looks really amazing. Look at that. Very like noir style. I like the black and white with the blood, the pops of color. I like that. So this is cool. I'm going to read this. All right, and that's all the items in our box. So we have our little spoiler card. Let's see what it says. We have the exclusive print from Leslie Vernon, signed by Leslie Vernon himself, Nathan Basil, on a custom print by Fright Crates J. A must-have in any horror collection. We have the exclusive Ghostface Christmas ornament. This wonderful figural ornament is 4 inches tall, ideal for the holidays. Inspired by the movie Scream, this handmade item will stock your tree forevermore. Then we have the exclusive Pet Cemetery shirt, designed by our friends at monstermangraphic.com. It's so good that it walks the line between the dead and the living. Then we have exclusive Captain Howdy pin, featuring a stylized cartoonish version of Captain Howdy. This is a 1.7-inch pin, double clutch. So much flesh, so little time. Rue Morgue magazine. Hellraiser turns 30 in Rue Morgue number 179, November-December 2017 issue, featuring original cover art by Rob Birchfield. Then we have the Twilight Hotel Volume 1 horror comic, part 1 of a 4-part comic series. It is dark, funny, shocking, smart, and edgy. Inspired by horror classics such as The Twilight Zone and Tales from the Crypt, squarebizcomics.com. All right, and next month, the franchises are going to be Friday the 13th, the final chapter, Little Shop of Horrors, Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Freddy's Revenge, and Krampus. That's where we had the Krampus. All right, I'm pretty sure I ordered the December box. They generally ship at the end of the month, like towards the end of the month. So hopefully that one should be coming soon. And then as soon as I get it, I'll try to do a video on it quickly instead of waiting like a whole month late. But yeah, so this was really cool. I really like it. I love the different horror elements. You know, some more well-known franchises and some not so well-known. The autograph is really cool. I like the print. I like the way it's very easy to read the signature. This is really cool. So I gotta check that out. Yeah, I don't know what my favorite item is. I don't know. I'm thinking my favorite item, it has to be the magazine. Is that weird? I'm looking forward to reading the articles. I really love Rue Morgue magazine, and I love reading all the articles in it. You know, like you learn about, you know, new upcoming releases and just like the history of horror and, you know, the directors, you know, the producers, like how they thought of the writers, all this craziness. Like, it's just so interesting to see the artistic side, you know, how these ideas get made, you know, what inspired people. And it's crazy where the inspiration can come from, like anywhere, all these different things. So I really like, I think this is my favorite item. Everything is awesome though. I really need to find out who Captain Howdy is, and I want to read the comic book, and I need to find out who Leslie Vernon is, because that looks really cool behind the mask. So I think that's like a movie on Netflix or something. It's on one of those streaming services. So I got to check that out. But yeah. Awesome Fright Crate. Wish I had unboxed it sooner, but this is the November 2017 Fright Crate. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. If you like my channel, if you like my content, hit that subscribe button, click the like. Let me know you're out there. Bye-bye for now.